Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic work breakdown structure. Friend, today's topic is very important with respect to project management, especially if you are a student and studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP. So again, this is a very important topic with respect to exam point of view. At least uh, 10 to 15 questions will definitely be there in the exam, especially related to PMP exam, in which your concept related to work breakdown structure should be checked. Secondly, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a professional project manager, so again you must have to know that what is work breakdown structure, how to deal it, how to use it, and your concept related to using the work breakdown structure WBS should be very clear in the professional life. So friend, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start. Work breakdown structure, or the short form is WBS. What does it mean and how to use it? Friend, the work breakdown structure WBS, it's a main topic. It's a topic from PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. It's a very important topic in project management. First of all, we have to understand that what is project. First, we start from project. Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK, the project is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output, product or service or result. That is called as project. So two things are very important in the definition of project. One thing is temporary and one thing is unique. So these are the two components or ingredients of every project which makes the definition of a project temporary and the uniqueness. So every project is temporary and every project is unique. So two ingredients are most important in the definition of a project. For example, you are building a flyover in a city, so it's a project. You are building a house, it's a project. You are making a mobile application for a bank through which customers can do the fund transfer or IBFT, it's a project. You are implementing e-commerce solution for customer, it's a project. You are introducing a new business process in an organization, it's a project. uh, you are making a new you are making a new process through which customer base will increase, it's a project. So anything which is any activity which is unique and temporary, and it has some objectives, so it will be a project. Now friend, if you can understand the definition of a project, we can talk about work breakdown of structure, because it's a topic related to project management. So see, work breakdown of structure WBS means breaking down the project at some level which we can estimate it. Again, try to understand work breakdown structure. It works on the concept of divide and rule. Friend, see, when we have to work for a project, when we have to initiate a project, we need some we have to understand that as a whole, estimations and working for a project is very difficult. When we can decompose a project, it will become easier for us to understand the project, and work on a project will become easier for us. For example, let's take an example here. For example, as a project manager, you have to work for a project e-commerce solution. So if someone says that you have to work for e-commerce solution, friend, it's a very broader term. We must need to understand that first of all we have to decompose the work. Decompose means divide and rule. We have to divide the work, and we must have to reach at some level through which we can understand the project. So work breakdown structure is a deliverable oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work to be executed by the project team to accomplish the project objectives and create the required deliverables. Friends, see, this was only a definition. Okay, um, just try to understand the concept of work breakdown structure. If you just see the term work breakdown structure, work breakdown structure means that you are breaking the work into small pieces so that you can organize it, so that you can control it, so that you can estimate it and can work it. Like, just take the example here. This is an example of a work breakdown structure, friend. See, if you want to construct a house, first of all, what are the main 5 activities, 5 level? First of all, the designing, procurement, construction, inspections, and the turnover. So these are the 5 main steps for which are required for a construction of house. Then in the design you must have to see that what are the other activities like permits, drawings, procurement of electrical things, plumbing, HVAC, construction, interior, exterior, inspection, masonry work, building finishes, turnover, walkthrough, closing. So all these things come under the subcategories of main subject. So if you just see from here, friend, construction of house is the main objective, or just think of construction of house as a project. Then this is the level 1, and then this is the level 2, and we are then categorizing it, and we are decomposing it. So what are the purpose of how we can what is the purpose? See, friend, first of all, once you see the work here, once you see the work breakdown structure like that, first of all, whatever the things are mentioned in the WBS, you have to work for it. Secondly, the main objective is that the divide and rule, like once the things will become divided, it will become easier for you to understand and work for it. For example, if we just talk about construction of house, it's a very broader term. Then when we talk about, like, in a construction of house, in procurement, we have to do the plumbing. So once we talk about plumbing, that means we become specific, and we become talk more about it specifically, that how we can do about electrical work, plumbing work in construction, in the interior, exterior, how we will work. So friend, the main objective of WBS, work breakdown structure, is to divide the work into smaller pieces, so that we can decompose the work, so that we can more focus on the work, and it will become easier for you to work on that. Because see, if we talk about only as a whole for something, it will become difficult for us to control the things. When become things become divided, so by using the law rule of divide and rule, it will easier for us to control the things and work for that. So how to make the WBS, friend? First of all, gather the critical documents like project documents, a scope document, project charter, project management plans. So by using those documents, first of all, you have to gather all those documents. Then identify the key team members. Key team members like project manager, sponsor, stakeholders, important stakeholder like senior management, CEO, CTO. So you have to identify especially the team members from the customer side and your own side as well. So identify the key team member. Key team member means core team members, like who are the core team of the project. Then define the level 1 elements. Level 1 elements means this is the level 1. This is the level 1. Okay. You have to identify those level 1 elements are summary deliverables description that must capture 100% of the project scope. Then decompose the element. Decompose means, friend, for example, you know that you have to work for the for example, you have to work for the procurement. So you have to decompose it. Decompose means, procurement decomposition means that it will decompose in electrical, plumbical, HVAC, etc. So you can decompose the work. Then create the WBS dictionary. WBS dictionary is a narrative description of the work covered in each element in the WBS. The lowest level element in the WBS are called the work packages. Work packages are very important. And then in the last, create Gantt chart schedule. Decompose the work packages to activate as appropriate. Friend, once you reach at work package, then divide the work package into activities, and then schedule the activities, and align the activities so that you can make a schedule. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time.